Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to find the information how much torque to apply to your lug nuts. Okay, because there are people that will get them so tight that you strip the nut, you need to replace the hub. It's a really complicated deal. And there is those people that won't get them tight enough, and you're going down the highway and all of a sudden you see your tire passing you. I've been one of those, I'll admit it. I've done that, and since then I learned my lesson. So stay with us, I'll show you where to find that information for your vehicle. So, if you open the menu of your vehicle, doesn't matter if it's a Hyundai, BMW, Mercedes, no matter what it is, guys, you'll find the information most likely in the menu. Usually you go to spare tire replacement or emergency. Okay, and when you do that, ours is about section 6 in our specific thing, how to install a spare tire on. So, if you go a little bit more, you'll be able to find the information, okay, about the tire. Okay, right here you will be able to find the torque specs, and you can see steel wheel and aluminum wheel. Okay, 65 to 79 pound, you can see pounds per foot. Okay, so that's what we need to do now. So we have our torque wrench ready, guys. Okay, it's right here. We usually go the highest number that it allows us in the menu, in our specific way, 79, okay, foot-pounds. Okay, so we're going to get them tight by hand with just the regular wrench, but don't get them too tight, just a little bit until they stop turning. Okay, that's what we do. Perfect. Okay, next, guys, gotta make sure you have a jack stand underneath the jack as well, and you can even drop the car, but I would recommend doing it in the air, but stay out of the way. Get them tight until you hear a click from your torque wrench. Okay, and you go in specific way. This is number 1, then you go in a star looking pattern. 2, okay, listen now. Then you go 3 right here. 4, 5. But now I'll go ahead and give it one more try. Okay, first one, second, we roll them down even. Okay, so you can see. Okay, perfect, 4th and 5th. Always check and make sure that you have the factory wheels. If you have bigger wheels, you might require a little bit more torque specs. So always check that. Okay guys, so this will be a short video to show you how to do that. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.